another video on the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active. Today is going to be a different video. I'm going to be showing you how to change the band on your Samsung Galaxy Watch Active. So yeah, one of the features of the Galaxy Watch Active is the interchangeable bands that you could get. Now, as of now, I cannot find any official Samsung watch bands. I don't know if Samsung is going to make their own to be just like, you know, the one that comes in the box. But I did order one on Amazon, which is really pretty, and it makes the watch look really professional. So here's how we're gonna change it. So you get, you're gonna have, you know, the regular watch band that comes with it. This is the small one because my wrist is super tiny. So this is a 20mm quick release band, and I'm going to show you how to take it off. So when you get the watch band, at least the one I ordered, comes in this long bag. Now when you get the bag, the watch band is going to be the same length as the bag. Just mine is super tiny because I resized it already. So this is the watch band I got. So it's going to be in this long bag. It's going to be that same size. And then you're also going to get some other things that are included. You're going to get this little screw tool and some pins. You're not going to get these links. These are the links I removed myself, and I'll show you how to remove the links in another video later on. So actually I'm going to show you in another video. Okay, so let's take out the band. And it is a gorgeous rose gold color. Oh my goodness. I'm so sorry that you could hear that. We have a plumber here right now. So yeah, there's a lot of background noise. I'm sorry, you guys. So anyway, it is gorgeous color. It is stainless steel and resin. This pink part is resin. It is really pretty, like a marble, you know, kind of crystal effect. I love that look. So now I'll show you what this band looks like. It actually is the exact same size. So I usually wore mine this small, like I would have it all the way here on the 4th hole, like that. So it was about this small. Alright, so here we go. This is removing the band. So you're gonna undo the band. And there are 2 pins on. So there are 2 clips. What you're gonna do is just use your fingernail and push the clip down, and you'll be able to pull the band out just like that. You don't need any pressure at all. It comes out right away. Same thing here, just push it down and it just pulls right out so gently, like you don't even need to pull it at all. So let me put it to the size I wore this. so I could show you that it's exactly the same size as me wearing the silicone band. See that? The sizes are exactly the same. So, unfortunately, they don't match perfect. In this lighting, they do, but in person, this is more pink than this. But I don't really mind because this makes up for that. So that's fine. So let's get this on. I found it much easier to open the links. Open the clip first, just because it's looser, but it really doesn't make a difference. I just found this was a little bit easier. So in the bag with the screw to remove the links, you are gonna get 3, this is how many links I removed. I removed 8 links. So this was about the actual size. That's about the actual size of the watch band itself. And yeah, you could see it's almost half. I had to take almost half of it off to wear it because my wrists are so tiny. So yeah, I removed 8 links. So what we need to do is put these in. So you get 3 quick release pins and 1 extra pin for your links. So we got 2 quick release pins, and it's super easy to assemble. All you do is slide them in at the top here. Yep, that's it. Okay. So then all you do is this. So I like it to open this way when you wear it. So I'm gonna put this top here. So you're gonna put it into the little hole. And then just do the same thing. Push the pin in. Whoops. So you're gonna push this in. And there you go, it snaps right onto the watch. So that's it there. It looks gorgeous already. So now let's put in the other one. This is where it gets a little bit tricky. This is where I like to open it because it just makes the band looser. You can also try it closed. Let me try it closed. I think that'll be easier for the video. So we're just going to put this on. Flip it over, and you can't really see what you're doing that well. You kind of just have to play with it until you could get it on. I'm gonna get it on for you guys. in the video. Hold on. Just so you can see how it's done. There we go, almost there. There we go. So I got it on. Okay, cool. So now let me put the watch on for you guys to show you how it looks. And it just goes on like this. And it just folds closed. And that's what it looks like on. I think it looks really nice, to be honest. And mine isn't pretty secure. That's how tight I wore this one. So, I mean, it depends on your preference. You can make it looser, but I like it tighter. So that's pretty much it. Now with this, it doesn't open up like that one does, but it's fine. You can still put it on the charger easily. And it just looks really nice. I think it actually looks nicer than the band it comes with. So in the future, you know, I'll make videos about different watch bands when I get more. So yeah. And like I said in another video, I'm gonna demonstrate how to change the links on your watch band. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video.